Hey guys, back here with another video, guys. It's been a while since I posted a video. So, I was super busy doing some other stuff, guys. So, I hope you guys understand, but I'm here. We have another project right here. We have a Q50, 2018 Q50. We have to do a motor swap on this. So I want to explain a little bit of the work that we're gonna be doing on this car, guys. So we have a motor on the side here. We'll show you that in a minute. So this motor got like 60,000 miles on it. So we don't even want to crack the motor as far as on these Q50s, the harness pretty much run under the intake. You know what I mean? So we don't even want to pull up the engine, because this engine come out of a donor car, runs superb. So we're going to take that motor and trans and put in here. But on this car, the harness is different. And how you know that is because of this tag right here. Let me just lock this up. So this is how you would know, because of the part number right here on this harness. It's different to the part number that motor came out of. The motor is the same motor. The harness is different. So don't want to put that harness and motor in here along with the original harness. So what we're going to do, we're going to take out the original harness out of this and change the whole complete harness in this car, because we don't want to pull that motor apart. 60,000 miles, we don't want it run smooth, have no issues. So we don't even want to pull the motor apart, as we said. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go through this whole car and run whole complete harness in this car, including removing the dash. We'll get to show you how we take that dash out and rewire the whole complete car, guys. So guys, so this is the motor right here that we're going to put in. Right here. So we put in the engine and transmission completely. Complete. We're not pulling it apart in this car. So this is the one that we're going to remove, because this engine is locked up. So we're going to remove that, do an engine swap. Then we'll show you how we bleed the system on this car, get this car up and running again, guys, and get it ready for the market. So let's show you on the inside. Interior is pretty clean. So I just gotta do some cleaning. Clean it up. And get it ready, guys. So stay tuned, stay locked in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Erebuilds is back, guys. We're out.